In front of me is Honor 8X Max, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to hit sound. Then use this switcher next to vibrate in silent mode to disable or enable vibrations when your device is muted. Then scroll down again and click on those two switchers next to vibrate on ring for SIM 1 and SIM 2 to enable or disable haptic feedback for your incoming calls. Lastly, select more sound settings and click on this switcher next to vibrate on tap to enable or disable haptic feedback for navigation keys and unlocking the device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!